Hi guys, Dominic here, and today I'm just going to go through a leg curl using a glider on grass, but this could also apply to even leg curls on a machine or leg curls using a Swiss ball, which would be then used to obviously work on our posterior chain, our glutes and hamstrings. So to start off with, I'm going to take my hands out of the way so you can see what's going on with my lower back, which is a really important point with any of these movements. So you can see there's a big curvature in my lower back, and there is a natural curvature in our lower back, but for this particular exercise, in order that we don't feel it all in our lower back when we do these exercises, I should be trying to press my lower part of the back into the floor before initiating a pull from the hamstrings. So you'll see it's up. Now I'm going to tilt my pelvis back so it'll rock back into this position, and you can just work on doing that a couple of times to get a feel for using your hips correctly in this exercise. So I keep my back pretty flat to the floor, and then in that position then I'm going to pull the disc towards my bum to work on my hamstrings. So flatten it down, and then as I pull in, my hips will drive up. So there should be a natural curve then in the lower back. If I roll it on then, as I roll back down into position, I'm still trying to keep the major arch out of my back. So you see my lower back is on the floor there again, but I've not got a massive curve in it. And then if I roll on again, what a lot of people will tend to do is this, where there's too much of an excess curve in the lower back in the top position, and if I roll on again at the bottom, you'll see that I'm going to kind of almost initiate that movement with an arch like that, which we don't want. And then when I do that, as I drive up, you'll see a huge arch in my lower back as I push up. So a lot of people then can feel a little bit too much work in that lower back and not enough in the glutes and hamstrings. If I roll on again, I need to try and eliminate that arch. So what we're looking for is to press the lower part of the back into the ground, which I'm doing on these reps. And then as I pull in, there's less of that curve than in the lower back, and I should feel my glutes and hamstrings a little bit more. So kind of some teaching points on that movement. Might get a little bit more out of it and a little less back pain. My hands would normally be down by my sides here in this position to allow me to give me a little bit more stability. So give it a go. And I'm just using a wooden disc on grass because it slides quite easily, and hope that helps.